Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple way to make a concrete rain gutter for you house project. What you are saying right now is the base. Formwork the foundation. Set the helps create a waterproof concrete gutter. Concrete gutter. This section of the gutter is about 80 centimeters wide, and both the left and right sides will be purled up to 30 centimeters high. That helps keep rainwater from overflowing even during heavy rain. Once completed, the water will flow smoothly along this concrete deck and go straight into the drainage pipe over there. Up here is the main concrete roof deck, while this middle part will be to the regular roof area. It has been poured yet because the structure is still being prepared. Paying close attention to these small details is very important to make sure the gutter stays solid and completely leak-free. This is part of the ongoing construction progress for a 21 by 22 meter house. I'll be sharing more updates every week, so don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave your question in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.